We had temperatures that are running a little cooler right now than compared to 24 hours ago. And these 2-degree temperature differences compared to yesterday are just enough to make it that we missed out on record highs by about a degree today. But still an unseasonably warm day and a good one to be outside if you can deal with the wind. It has been very gusty today as well. Still currently in the upper 70s for most of the southern half of the area. Benton Harbor does tend to run a little warmer. We're currently at 80 degrees. Muskegon at 71. And you can see the thick cloud cover across the entire area. All of this is ahead of our frontal boundary that hasn't really moved much since yesterday, but we're still pulling up all of this warm and humid air. It does feel a little muggy out there, especially for this time of year. And you can kind of see a hint of what's to come too. Some thunderstorms have popped up here across the UP, back through Wisconsin, and there's a big cluster of storms in a lot of Iowa. That is all generated by the front, and that's going to be coming through for us as we head into tonight. So temperatures tonight, they're going to bottom out about 63. We're going to be very warm and very breezy. Wind gusts could stay as high as 30 miles an hour overnight, but that front will get a little closer to us, enough to start bringing some showers and a thunderstorm or two to our area by about dawn. And our rain and thunderstorm chances will be highest during the early part of the day before we kind of clear things out and get some pockets of sun into the afternoon. Temperatures for tomorrow, though, highs are going to be near 70, but this occurs probably around noon. And then the temperatures are going to start falling as the cold front passes. And it's also going to be really breezy ahead of and behind the front too. For about the third day in a row, wind gusts could be topping 35 to 40 miles an hour for much of the area through much of the day tomorrow. And look at this, even through 6 p.m. Some wind gusts could be as high as 38 degrees. So you're going to want to make sure you have probably a coat or at least a light jacket for your costume. But overall, it could be a lot worse. At least the rain will be gone at that point. But just the breeze is going to be something to contend with. By 8 a.m. or so, you can see some of these showers coming onshore. Sunrise is right after 8 o'clock. We could have maybe 1 or 2 stronger storms in the southern and eastern part of the area here, but I don't expect we're going to have any kind of widespread strong storms. Looks like our severe weather ingredients have come down a little bit from where they were yesterday, which is good news for us. We will certainly get some much needed rain, especially along and east of 131. By the time we get to the afternoon tomorrow, probably 3 o'clock, our last little batch of showers will be rolling through. And then going to the evening, it's still going to be very breezy out there, but we'll be starting to clear out nicely as well. So no issues with any rain for trick-or-treating. It's just going to be breezy with those temperatures starting to fall. 60s by 5 p.m. and then into the 50s by 7. Overall, though, things could be a lot worse. At least we're not dealing with any snow for Halloween this year. A little cooler for Friday and Saturday, and then we have a rainy pattern that's expected to build up again Sunday through Tuesday. And don't forget, we fall back and get that extra hour of sleep Sunday morning.